Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the official and the legal ways to get QuillBot Premium for free using some of the methods that I'm about to show you here in this video. So when you come here on quillbot.com and then you click on the option of QuillBot Premium, you will be redirected here on this page where you will see that you can start using QuillBot absolutely for free, but in some way or another we do need the QuillBot's premium version, which is going to cost you 4.17 USD every single month if you subscribe annually. If you subscribe monthly, you need to pay more. Now, in order to get it absolutely for free, QuillBot offers a limited trial of the premium. You can see you are going to get 3-day money back guarantee. So you can just sign up here with the help of your credit card and you can just take the advantage of the premium trial. After that, you can just simply end your premium trial and you can start using its free version normally. You can do it with multiple email addresses and you can start using it for free. Secondly, you can check for the student or any kind of educator programs. If you are enrolled in school or teaching, QuillBots sometimes run the verified students deals through the campus partnerships or the education platforms. So you can use your school's email to see if you qualify for that particular program or not. You can also look for some of the referrals or the promo credits. QuillBot and some of the educational bundles also run the referral campaigns or the seasonal promotions that can also give you the free premium time for inviting others or during the special events. You need to keep an eye on the official announcements for it. So these are some of the legitimate ways that you can try in order to get your QuillBot trial absolutely for free. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.